We can try that. Hey what's up guys, my name is Kashito. Welcome back to another episode of the Cooking with Kashito. And for this Cooking with Kashito, you know the video that what you saw, right? So I'm gonna make that for the first time ever. So of course I have a leftover bread. See this? And also it's hard. Sorry children. But for now, I'm just gonna cut this bad boy up from these pieces to pieces. Just to make it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, just like that. You know me? Cooking with that map? Because I'm doing this for not myself, but also for my family, and mostly important, my Budra. Making this kind of thing, so I'm glad that I found that YouTuber and some YouTuber. Thank you so much for that. And shout out to someone for making that wonderful recipe that we might gonna make it as well. Something like this, you know. It's really nice. You know, I was really curious about the making for it, so why not making that kind of a content? Right, just perhaps only for a low heat. And then I'm gonna put this bad boy up for a few. There you go. See? That's a lot. I know. I guess I need another bowl. And then I guess I really need some butter as well, and also the milk. I already have all the milk. I'm gonna get some butter upstairs for this, some recipe. Oh, original recipe. All you need is just a little bit of fry it. That's pretty much it. And now where's my... Let's make it like some crisp, you know? And killing the ants too. I'm pretty sure it's just only low. I think that's pretty much it. Like this. Yeah, just like that. Something to crisp, you know? Something to crisp. Don't need some oil, just only you use for. And also, you need to study from the recipe again. Hold on for a second. Alright, here we go. Just pitch for like this. And then it's my crunchy. Alright, perfect. So I'm going to make this one with a mixture of this, and the water. So, ikuse. Alright, first things first, since I'm going to step aside with the bread, I'm going to... Oh, no. There's the other one. I'm going to use this one instead. Ooh. Yeah, just like that. Like coming.
Really?
There we go. Just for preparing. For now, I'm gonna move aside with this one because of that freaking ants. Yo, what's... So what I'm going to do with this one is, first things first, sugar. We took 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then 1 tablespoon of water, and then you're gonna heat until it turns brown, and then 1 tablespoon of butter, and last but not least, 3 tablespoons of this milk. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Three tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and 3. And then 1 tablespoon of water. Like seriously, is it like for real? Something like this. And then we have to mix. Or forget that, we have to mix. Make sure it's getting low. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You have to make it low. Alright? You make it low. And then just keep mixing. And during for cooking we did the other one. I'm going to do this one too. I'm gonna make that low to medium. Now this time I'm gonna take the butter. I'm gonna do it quickly. And then 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna move here and mix it up. Oh, it smells good. Smells so good. I guess I'm gonna reheat this one again. Oh. Smells good. Alright. It's gonna keep plating. I'm gonna show it to you right now, guys. It was pretty awesome. So here we go. Alright, taste test. Lekker mas. Wait, didn't taste it. Well, I'll try this one. Okay, I can barely taste it. So good. Alright, I'm gonna finish everything and I'm going to serve it for my family. Yeah.